Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install card controls with the Discover app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Discover app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Look for the Account tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Account tab to access your account settings. Scroll down until you see the Card Controls option. Select Card Controls to view the available settings. You will see options for managing your card, such as turning it on or off. Toggle the switch to enable card controls. Next, explore features like setting spending limits or transaction alerts. To set a spending limit, tap the corresponding option and enter the desired amount. Confirm your changes by pressing the Save button. Return to the Card Controls menu. If you want to enable location-based card controls, toggle that option as well. Follow any prompts to confirm your location settings. Review all the changes you made to ensure they are correct. Once satisfied, exit the settings and return to the main dashboard. Your card controls are now successfully installed and activated. Monitor your card activity regularly through the app for added security. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.